Well, good morning. Sunday the 12th. Didn't do an outro yesterday. It was pretty dark when I got into camp, and it was raining. So there was nothing to do but hurry up and get everything set up, which I did. Had a little something to eat. Had a good night's rest. As you can see, it's not a bad day. Cloudy. It spit a little this morning, but nothing to speak of. But the rain isn't coming. Looks like about 2 o'clock this afternoon. Chances go from near to nothing to we're going to rain for a while. Looks like rain from about 2 to 6 Tuesday morning. All due to this nor'easter coming in. For that reason, I've decided that what I'm going to do is get to the next shelter to be a short jaunt, probably 6.5 miles. Put up there for the night so I can keep dry and not get the tent wet. And then tomorrow, we'll pretty much do the same thing because it's going to rain all day tomorrow. And with the rocks and the climb, not so much the climbs, more so the ascents, or I should say descents. Yeah, it's a good bit dicey. It was yesterday. I had a pretty good, almost 200-foot climb up through a rock scramble yesterday, and it was not shaky, but it wasn't exactly an easy stroll, let's put it that way. So I think I'm going to break up the next 2 days, like I said, into a couple 6-milers. And then after that, weather's supposed to be good, terrain's supposed to be good. I'll get through Bear Mountain and then start moving on from there. See how far I can get. I mean, the goal was, and still is, to get to Connecticut. I just think that given the time that I have, I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to do that. So, and Carol will be here, so I'll just pick up where I left off and do it again. I can celebrate them. So that's it. Good morning, everybody. We'll get moving on. I'm seriously doubting you're going to get much in the way of views today, but we'll see. I got supposedly a view spot coming up in another 3 tenths, and we'll see how that goes. Show you what I see along the way, and somehow I suspect it isn't going to be a much today. Much like yesterday with the rain, there's not a whole lot you're going to be doing, and I suspect Tuesday will be the same, much the same. Or Monday will be much the same. I got my days mixed up. So there you have it. You all have a good day. Probably our first and only view. Well, it is our first, but probably going to be our only view today. You can see them clouds are moving. They're moving pretty regular. All to the north, of course. Probably northeast, more like it. There you go. Today's first and probably only view. Well, shockingly enough, we do get another view. Albeit it's not very distant, it's still a nice view. Coming up on 87 and 17 now. Alright, I gotta get moving on. This wind's a bit nippy. Oh, yet another. And the number of times I've traveled that road. 87. Indeed. I listened to that drone most of the night last night. But still, that's some bad views. see any dark clouds yet, but they're on the way. A few more hours. Supposed to get ugly. Alright, I'm moving on. Yeah, so we're going down into the gap. Go across the thruway, or northway I should say. And then we go right up across that mountain there, straight in front of the center of the screen. Somewhere in there, and then we hook off to the left. That's what it looks like to me. So, I better giddy up. I'm moving on. Just another little challenge. I think going up would have been easier than coming down. All right, moving on. It's noisy. I can't count the times I've been up and down this road. I know it's noisy, but that's where we were a little bit ago. Those are the rocks I took the last viewpoint from. Yeah. So, come across and then down. There's a hurry down, that's for sure. All right, enough of the noise. Well, I guess it's better than beaver water. Just frog water. What can you do? There is no water. That's it. So, at least until we get this nor'easter. All right. So, yeah, we're moving on. A couple more miles, we'll be at our destination for the day. It's been a tough day, just like yesterday. Somebody lost their clothes. All right, moving on. Well, here she is. Oh, lemon squeezer herself. All right, we're gonna get through this thing. All right, see you on the other end. We're through it. You can see where I left my poles and my water bag. Oh, the criminy, that was tighter than I thought it'd be. But we made it out. All right, we're gonna move on.